Hey everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to change the card details on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change card details on the Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap on to three dot lines at the top left corner just right here. Now tap on it. Then tap on to profile and settings. Then here you can find add a payment method just right here. Now tap on it. Now here you can see adding a payment method is not supported in my area right now. So if you had added the payment method, which is a card, you can simply remove the old card and you can add a new card. And after adding the new card, enter the new card information and complete the verification process. And after doing that, you can simply change the card details. And that's it. This is how you can change card details on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.